So this is where you need to make that validation report. Above, you just simply answered the question that it wasn't a clear report, but as an assessor you would have to formalise that. So you might have flagged it in an email and sat down as part of a validation meeting and recorded all of that. You might have actually recorded it in a validation report and flicked it off in an email. It depends on the logistics of your RTO, whether you guys live close by or whether it's just simpler to do it all electronically. But now let's look at how we record the way that you've contributed to that validation. So we double click on the validation report. And simply scroll down until you see the highlighted yellow section. That's the only part we need you to complete at this early stage of validation. Okay, here it is. Now it's under the principles of assessment for reliability. And it says, guides are clear to ensure that assessors make consistent decisions over time and with different candidates. So are the guides clear? Is the RPL kit clear to understand? So if you don't agree with it, you've got to not put a tick there. You actually have to put a cross. So because this is set to Wingdings 2, you would have to make sure the caps lock button is on your keypad and hit O, which is next to P on the keypad, and that will actually create a little cross. So place it in the cell, caps lock's on, and hit O. It will come up as a cross. So that's not 0 the numeral, it's O the letter. And you would have to make some sort of recommendation. So you could have something to the effect of simplify the RPL kit so it is not as repetitive. Section A, Assessor Guidelines, is almost a carbon copy of the Candidates section. So some sort of information to that degree is going to formalise and record your validation feedback. And the RTO can consider that and consider updating or modifying its current resource there. And you might want to be part of that team.